This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
PCV valve replacement. Pull the hood release lever located under the steering column. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Locate the PCV valve on the valve cover. To remove it, disconnect the hose from the valve, then unscrew the valve from the valve cover. Install the new PCV valve in the valve cover and tighten it securely. Reconnect the hose to the valve.